Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. I take my first trade right here. As always, we will take some trades based on candlestick psychology. We are in minor uptrend, and if you look at the back, you see maximum 2 red candles, so we can still expect maximum 2 red candles and another green candle. That's not the only reason. The main reason, gap down as a confirmation, and the main reason is, you look, market moves this way, break the previous swing, so it creates this QM area. It's a very small QM area, so in general this is a buyer's area, and we have gap down confirmation and market sequence for taking this trade beside the minor uptrend. My entry is so bad, which, oh my god, that was so close. All right, so we need at least 3 to 4 reasons to take a good trade. And if you don't know what QM is, QM looks like this. When we have a downtrend or uptrend, we break the previous swing. This area becomes QM zone, just like this one. This is a minor one, which is hard to detect sometimes. This is the bigger one, more obvious. So if it comes down here somewhere, it will reject. But QM setup has 3 confirmations, which has been explained in this video, which you can watch from here. It's going to pop up somewhere here, you can watch. So we're just going to move on to the next trade. Hey, sorry for interruption. In the time that I'm looking for a trade, I just want to have a quick reminder that 16th January, it's like 2 days later, it's going to be new intake for the mentorship with a special offer. It means that there's a discount. If you're planning to join, just join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. In this case, market is coming from supply area, and this supply is causing this huge breakout of this price channel. So it's super strong. I would never go with the buyers on this one because I can't expect a bigger drop until the next demand area, which will be down here. So I'm not going to go with the buyers on this one. I want to take 2 trades on this one. All right, first of all, again, if you remember the previous trade, which was market sequence, maximum 2 red candles. In this one, we have maximum 3. Okay, 3, 2, 2, 2. Again, we can have 3 consecutive red candles inside of this range. So still we have market sequence. And the question is that the only reason? Of course not. We need multiple reasons to take a trade. If you look, we have first, second, higher high, breakout. So we have third touch breakout trade and market sequence as a confirmation, minor and major uptrend. See, major uptrend has been inside of a ranging market, break to the downside. Okay, let me just draw everything for you guys. This is how you have to look at the charts. See, very respected resistance support area and then broken. It created this decision point. Next time price comes up, somewhere in the lower time frame, we have fresh supply, which caused this breakout, caused this drop. And then after that drop, we have this price channel, which is broken right here. It did a retracement and then it kept going up. So we're still inside of an uptrend. Where's the next demand area which market can react? Of course, this is the next demand area which we can potentially wait for buying opportunities. And this was the supply area. So I will wait. I will not take any trade on this one. I will wait for it to come down. And the trade we took is in the direction of the minor and major trend. All right. See, on this one, we have, again, support area decided to be broken. Okay. See, it looks like a triple top. Can keep dropping. Where's the next demand? The next demand is down here. It's in the middle. It's either going to keep dropping or maybe it's going to have a something like this and then drop. So here For now, I don't have any opportunity, but if I go to lower time frame, I will see a fresh supply right here. Also, if you look at here, we have fair value gap right here. The candle before fair value gap becomes order block. The market will react from this order block as well. So it really depends how you look at the market. If you want to enter for order block, we have to enter exactly right here. If you want to take the decision point, we have to enter the red area. So there's no right or wrong way of trading. It really comes down to your perspective and experience. Guys, I forgot to hit the record button after I came back from the break, and I took 2 trades on this one, okay, on this candle. I'm really sorry, man. Holy shit. I took a small break and then I forgot to start, hit the record button when I was back. Yeah, I took this trade. It's based on the decision point in the combination with the overall dropping market. Look at this fair value gap. This is the order block. So normally this is a downtrend after this. And then we found the lower time frame entry on the red zone. And this was my entry. Okay. This was my entry. But unfortunately it's not recorded. And that was one of the best trades that I missed to record. Okay. Okay, I'm taking, oh my goodness, what is this entry? What a trash entry. Okay, again, first touch, second touch, boom, created higher high. Okay, and now we breaking the doji as well, just like the previous time. The previous time we also break the doji. This candle didn't come to this zone. I'm sorry. Okay, this candle didn't come to this zone. It would be a very nice trade because we also broke the doji. And now we're breaking the doji from downside again. So if you look at the past, this doji has been broken 3 times. But the thing is, we never take the trades blindly. We always want to combine. For example, if we were taking the trade blindly right here with the sellers, it would be the only reason to take a sell. Okay, it would be the only reason to take a sell, one reason, which is not valid. If we were waiting for this to come up to this red zone and then enter, it would be in the combination with decision point, which is valid. Just like this one we just took, third touch breakout. Okay, third touch breakout, and also doji breakout. So it's in the combination and it's valid. Okay, so we always want to combine our trades. All right, I'm just gonna stop right here. We took enough trades. I'm really sorry I didn't record this video. I really forgot. I took a very small break because somebody was calling me and then I forgot to start to record again. Okay, so yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna stop right here. I hope you enjoyed. Do not forget to join the Telegram channel. Peace out.